Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad, Class 1. Subject is Computer. Topic is Keyboard Part 2. Presented by your computer teacher, Miss Nikita Kane. Students, before starting today's class, let us have a quick recap of our previous class. In previous class, we have learned keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. We can input the data by pressing keys on the keyboard. There are about 105 keys on the keyboard. Keys on a keyboard. There are different types of keys on a keyboard. The names of the keys are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys and special keys. Alphabet keys. Suppose you want to type your name on the computer screen. For this, you use the keys marked with the letters A to Z of the English alphabet. These keys are called alphabet keys. They are 26 in number. Number keys. Suppose you want to write your city's PIN code number on your mobile number. For this, you have to use the keys marked with the numbers 0 to 9. These are called number keys. They also help to carry out arithmetical calculations. Function keys. The keys above the number keys are marked with F1 to F12 are known as function keys. Each of these keys is used for a special function. Arrow keys. The keys marked with up, down, right and left arrows are known as arrow keys. They are also known as cursor control keys as they control movements of cursor on the monitor. Special keys. There are some tasks that above keys cannot do. They require some other keys. These keys are known as special keys. Some of the special keys are space bar and enter. In today's class, we are going to learn, students, in our today's class, we will learn the following topics. More about special keys. We will learn something more about special keys. Storage device. We will learn the meaning of storage device and the examples of storage device. Then we will discuss the exercises and then we will mark our homework. More about special keys. Students, as you know that special keys are the keys which have some special functions. Like the tasks, some tasks which cannot be performed by alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys. Those functions require some other keys. These keys are known as special keys. So, special keys works in combination with other keys. Some of the special keys present on the keyboard are, the name of the some special keys are Alt, Backspace, Caps Lock, Spacebar, Delete, Enter or Return, Escape, Shift, Control and Tab. Spacebar. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the words and the letters. Spacebar key is the longest key which you will be able to see on the keyboard, and spacebar key is used to give space between the words. Caps lock key. It is used to type the letters in capitals. When you press the caps lock key, the light on the keyboard will turn on. If you press it again, the light will turn off. If you want to type the words in the capital letters, then you will press the caps lock. When the caps lock is on, the light gets turned on. That means caps lock is on. Then you can write the letters in the capital letters. And if you want to continue in the small letters, then you can turn off the caps lock. The light of the caps lock key will get turned off and the remaining letters will be typed in the small letters. Backspace key. It is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor. Suppose if you have typed the word or the letters in incorrect way, that means by mistake you have typed something wrong, then how to erase those letters or words? You can use backspace key to delete those characters and then you can type the correct ones. When you will use the backspace key to erase the characters, it will erase the characters to the left of the cursor. Wherever your cursor will be, to the left of the cursor, all the characters will be deleted when you will use the backspace key. Shift key. It is used to type the letters in capital or small case without using caps lock key. Also used to type symbols printed on the top of the number keys. Shift key is used to type the letters in capital or small case without using caps lock key. Just now we have learned that we use caps lock key to write the letters in the uppercase, that is in capital letters or small letters. But if we do not want to use the caps lock key, we can use the shift key to write the letters in capital or small case. Also, shift key is used to type the symbols that are printed on the top of the number keys. We can use shift plus that number. For example, you want to use plus. Then you will use shift plus equal to key. Then plus sign will be displayed on the screen. Enter key. It is used to tell the computer that you have finished a word or line. It brings the cursor down to the next line. Suppose if you want to write a line in the next line, that means you want to type the sentences in the next line, then you can use the enter key. Whenever you will write a sentence and you want to bring your cursor to the next line, then you will use enter key. You will press enter key and the cursor will go down to the next line, and then from there you can start typing the sentences or the letters you want to type. Delete key. It is used to erase anything typed from the right side of the cursor. Suppose if you have typed something wrong, then you can delete it by using the delete key. Whenever you have typed something wrong and you want to erase it or delete it, you can use the delete key, and the delete key will erase the thing from the right side of the cursor. As we have learned that backspace key is also used to erase anything which we have typed or which we have typed incorrect, but backspace key deletes the type thing from the left side of the cursor, but delete key, it is anything typed from the right side of the cursor. Tab key. It allows the cursor to jump 5 spaces forward. Whenever you want to jump to 5 spaces forward, you will use Tab key. Tab key is used to give 5 steps forward at one press. If you will press Tab key, then your cursor will move 5 steps forward. As we have already learned that spacebar key is used to give spaces between the letters and the words, but it moves only one step forward. But Tab key moves 5 steps forward in one press. Students, now let us learn about storage device. What are the storage device? In everyday life, we use many storage devices like almirah, cupboard, locker, etc. to store things. In the same way, a computer uses many types of storage devices for storage of data. Some of the storage devices are USB flash drive, CDs and DVDs, multimedia cards. Students, in order to store your things, what we use? We use almirah, cupboards, lockers, etc. Same way, computer also needs something to store data, to store the files or folders. Those devices are known as storage devices. The devices which a computer uses to store data are known as storage devices. Some of the storage devices are USB flash drive, CDs and DVDs, and multimedia cards. So now let us learn about them in detail. USB flash drive. It is a small storage device used to carry data or transport files from one computer to another. USB flash drives are also known as pen drives. We can use these storage devices to carry or transport data from one computer to another. Suppose if you are having a file or a folder in your computer and you want that file or folder in your another computer. So what you will do, you will use USB flash drive, you will insert it in your computer, then you will copy the file or the folder and then paste it in your USB flash drive. Then you will use this USB flash drive in the another computer. You will insert it there and you will open USB flash drive. From there you will choose the folder which you have copied in the USB flash drive. From there you will copy it and paste in the another computer. Like this we can transport the files from one computer to the another computer. CDs and DVDs. CD refers to compact disc and DVD refers to digital video disc. They can store a lot of data. Students, you all might have seen CDs and DVDs. Full form of CD is compact disc and full form of DVD is digital video disc. Both of these are used to store a lot of data. We can insert them in our CD drive and then we can watch the things that are stored in them. Multimedia card. This card is small in size. It is available in different storage capacities. Multimedia cards are also known as memory cards. These cards are small in size and they have their own storage capacities. Some may be of 128 MB and some can be of 128 GB. Some can be of 62 MB, some can be of 62 GB. So according to their storage, they are available in the markets, and the higher the capacities they have, the higher is their costs. Well, how we can use them? We can use these multimedia cards by inserting them in the laptops or in the computers or in the mobiles also. Then we can share the datas which are in them, and we can transfer those files or folders in the another computer or the laptops. From the mobiles also we can transfer the data to the computer, or from the computer we can transfer the data to the laptops or to the another computer or to the mobile phones. Computer manners. Keep your computer room neat and tidy. Handle all the devices in a proper way to avoid their misuse. Computer manners is to keep computer room neat and tidy. You should always keep the computer room neat and clean, because dust and dirt can harm your computer. You should always use or handle the devices in a proper way so that there is no misuse of the devices. Students, now let us discuss the exercise of this chapter. First is answer the following questions. You have to answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, what is a keyboard? You have to tell that what is a keyboard. Answer is, keyboard is an input device used to type alphabets, numbers, signs and symbols. Keyboard is an input device. Input device means the device which is used to input data in the computer. So keyboard is an input device which is used to type alphabets. We can use alphabet keys to type alphabets. Numbers, we can use number keys to type numbers. Signs, we can use the signs which are provided just above the numbers, and symbols. Question number 2 is, name the various types of keys on the keyboard. You have to tell the names of the different types of keys on the keyboards. Answer is, the various types of keys on the keyboard are, the names of the different types of keys on the keyboard are: number 1, alphabet keys. Suppose you want to type your name on the computer screen. For this, you use the keys marked with letters A to Z of the English alphabet. These keys are called alphabet keys. They are 26 in number. Number 2, number keys. Suppose you want to write your city's PIN code number or your mobile number. For this, you have to use the keys marked with numbers 0 to 9. These are called number keys. They also help to carry out arithmetical calculations. Number 3, function keys. The keys above the number keys and are marked with F1 to F12 are known as function keys. Each of these keys is used for a special function. The function keys are placed at the top row of the keyboard. These keys are programmable and are denoted by letter F. Function keys range from F1 to F12. Number 4 is arrow keys. The keys marked with up, down, right and left arrows are known as arrow keys. They are used for moving the cursor on the screen. They are also known as cursor control keys as they control movement of cursor on the monitor. Number 5 is special keys. There are some tasks that cannot be done by the above mentioned keys. They require some other keys. These keys are known as special keys. Some of these keys work in combination with other keys. Commonly used special keys are spacebar and enter. Question number 3 is, what is the difference between alphabet keys and number keys? You have to write the difference between the alphabet keys and the number keys. Answer is, alphabet keys, number 1, they are used to type names, words, etc. Whereas number keys are used to type numbers, pin code, etc. Number 2, they are 26 in number. Alphabet keys are 26 in number, whereas number keys are 10 in numbers. Question number 4 is, write a brief note on storage devices. You have to write the brief note on storage devices. Answer is, the devices used to store data are called storage devices. Some of the storage devices are USB flash drive, CDs and DVDs, and multimedia cards, etc. The devices which are used to store data are known as storage devices. Name of some storage devices are USB flash drive, CDs and DVDs, multimedia cards, and etc. Second is, tick the correct options. You have to choose the correct option and tick write it. 3 options are given. You will choose the correct option and tick write it. Number 1 is, we can input dash by pressing keys on a keyboard. What we input by pressing the keys of a keyboard? We input food? No. We can input water? No. We can input data? Yes. We can input data by pressing keys of a keyboard. Number 2. Dash keys help to type our name. Which keys helps us to type our name on the computer? Number A, number keys? No. Number B, alphabet keys? Yes. Number C, special keys? No. So answer is alphabet. Alphabet keys help to type our name on the computer. Number 3. We use the dash keys to type numbers from 0 to 9. Which key we use to type numbers from 0 to 9? Number A, alphabet? No. Alphabet keys are used to type alphabets. B, caps lock? No, because caps lock key is used to type the letters in the capital form. C, number? Yes. Number keys are used to type numbers from 0 to 9. So answer is number. We use the number keys to type numbers from 0 to 9. Number 4. Dash keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Which keys are used to move the cursor on the screen? Number A, numlock? No, because numlock is used to activate the numeric keypad. Number B, arrow? Yes. Arrow keys are also known as cursor control keys and they are used to move the cursor on the screen. Alphabet? No, because alphabet keys are used to type the names or alphabets on the computer screen. So answer is arrow. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Third is, fill in the blanks. You have to fill up the blanks. Number 1. Keyboard has about 100 and different dash on it. What does the keyboard has about 105 different forms? What does a keyboard has? They are 100 in number. They are keys. Keyboard has about 105 different keys on it. Keys, keys. Number 2. We can type our name with the help of dash keys. With the help of which keys we type our name? We use alphabet keys to type our name. We can type our name with the help of alphabet keys. ALPHABET, alphabet keys. Number 3. Dash is a special key. Which key is a special key? Answer is space bar is a special key. SPACE space BAR bar. Space bar is a special key. Number 4. Keyboard is a dash device. Which device is a keyboard? Keyboard is an input device. INPUT, input. Keyboard is an input device. Why keyboard is an input device? Because we give our data to the computer by pressing keys on the keyboard. That is why it is known as an input device. Number 4 is count and answer the following. Keyboard picture is given. You have to count the keys and answer the following questions. Total number of keys. Total number of keys on a keyboard are 105. 105. Total number of keys on a keyboard are 105. Total number of alphabet keys. Total number of alphabet keys are 26. 26. Total number of number keys. How many total number of number keys are there on a keyboard? There are 10 number keys. So total number of number keys are 10. 10. Total number of function keys. The number of function keys on a keyboard. Total number of function keys are 12. 1 to 12. Total number of arrow keys. What are the total number of arrow keys that we have on a keyboard? Total number of arrow keys are 4. 0, 4, 4. Total number of special keys. What are the total number of special keys that we have on a keyboard? Total number of special keys are 14. 1, 4, 14. Homework. Students, now let us discuss the homework. Your homework is to read the chapter again. You have to read the chapter once again. Watch Keyboard Part 2 video on the YouTube channel. Keyboard Part 2 video is already uploaded on the YouTube channel. Please watch it. Learn different types of storage devices. Learn the names of the different types of storage devices. Complete the exercises in the copy. You have to complete all the exercises that we have discussed just now in the copy. My dear students, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. I hope to meet you soon in our next computer class. Till then, be safe at your home. Complete your work and revise all the work.